Hey guys, and welcome back to another portion of my haul unboxing. And if you hear stuff in the background, it's Tim stabbing boxes. So, totally unrelated to what I'm doing. I have a few things. I have some replenishing type stuff. I have it all in categories. This is a very big portion. And I have birthday presents, and I have two gifts and situations. So, in the replenishing category, I have the Old Faithful with new packaging, the Equate makeup wipes. Finally decided to replace my razor with, after some debate, the same one but in a different color. The Chic Intuition Pure Nourishment, whatever, looks like it's for sensitive skin. And I purchased some replacement heads and stuff already, so that way I'm not I have two new face masks. I have the green tea and activated charcoal deep cleaning face cleanser and the pore purifying face mask. So it's a two-step process, so we'll see how that goes. And then by nature, dragon's blood and hyaluronic acid skin rejuvenating face mask, plumping moisture fix, and fine line softener for really thirsty and dry skin. I have not had an eye cream in quite some time. Also not purchased any Mary Kay products in probably 2 years. So I have the Indulge Soothing Eye Gel in Mary Kay. I love this packaging. I always liked their boxes anyway. They're simple and chic, and it's like that light pink, the Mary Kay pink. But this glass jar, oh my god. Yeah, it's a really nice gel, and I have not had anything for my under eye area in a long time, so I'm so excited to try this out. Also birthday gift cards and points and whatever. The Lancome Boost Your Lashes Mascara Primer. Oh, this little thing in here. I'm so excited. And I actually got the mascara too, so I'm like, hell yeah, I'm pretty much stocked now. Look at that. Picked up a new Shea Sugar Scrub, Sun-Kissed Sands, and White Clay. This does smell really nice. It's a really funky color, but that doesn't really mean anything. Old Faithful here, the Maybelline Define Line. I needed one on backup. And then I have the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. Prime, Correct, and Set. So definitely excited to try this one. I had a different one by this brand, so definitely excited to try that. So I have a little Ziploc baggie full of goodies from Dani. So shout out to Dani, my glam swap sister. Oh crap, you know what I should have mentioned in my empties? But I'll mention it here. I know this is not an empties video, but I did part ways with my Tarlet and Bloom palette. And in return, I got these items. So let's have a look. This is, oh my god, it's the same brand as the primer that I can't pronounce. I really need to get a pencil sharpener. I will definitely try this, so stay tuned for that. This will be in a first impressions Get Ready With Me. IBY Beauty Lush Eyeshadow and Get Soaked. This is a really cute little, this is so a Jessica color. Give it a swatch. Oh, it's really soft. I cannot wait to use that. I want a lip color in that color. Blosco Dusty Miller. It's an eyeshadow, and it's a really cute little package. Hello, look at this cute. Oh my goodness. Totally a color that I don't have. It's so soft. Let's just dump these little bottles out. Oh my goodness, okay. Do we remember the Ipsy video of mine where I had the Perlice Watermelon Moisturizer? Well, this is a peel-off mask. So I'm sure this is a mask that smells like bubblegum from my childhood, but I'm going to use it anyway. And then I have Skin Iceland Solutions for Stressed Skin. Berry Lip Fix. Ooh, so this will be a nice little lippy situation. I'll probably toss this right in my purse. Ooh, Yensa. I need to get more of that foundation that claimed to be full coverage, but it wasn't, but it was still really good. This is Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. Super Orange Essence. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. Exfoliates, brightens, smooths, even skin tone. Hell yeah, very excited for that. That's perfect. Sand and Sky, whatever. Australian Pink Clay Pore Fining Face Mask. Yes. Totally nice to have some face masks that aren't sheet masks. Maybe all of these will change my mind and have me be more open to trying masks that are not sheet masks. Oh my god. So another shout out today goes to Jessica. Finally talking about this. I've had this for weeks and it's driving me nuts because there's shit in here that I really want to use. Because I don't touch things until I talk about it. And you should probably paint my nails and maybe this will be my color. Like, hello Zoya. Like, I have the Professional Pore Primer. There's a face primer by Benefit. A little sample here. This will be in a first impressions video. Holy crow, a bunch of stuff by Andalou Naturals. All this Andalou Naturals stuff right here. I have a rose water mask. Another little mask. See, I'm trying to convert me here. Beautiful Day Cream, which I actually had a tub of that I finished, so I know I'll fly through this shit. Heavenly Night Cream, which again I had a tub of, totally blew through that. Pearl Exfoliator. Have not tried this. And the Floral Toner, which this is interesting because the one that I had was in a spray bottle, which I prefer, but whatever, I'm not gonna complain. Okay, so I have a Red Apple Lipstick Barely Pink Lip Liner. So that's fucking pretty. That is really fucking pretty and so smooth. That application, oh my god. I don't know if the camera will pick up the design on this lipstick. Dude, look at that. Hello packaging. 100% pure. Okay, that's what that is. Cassia. That one. I'm excited to try lip products. I'm so bad when it comes to like lip shit because like, I don't know, I like to drink and eat stuff and like, I don't know, whatever. I have a tiny little Bare Minerals Mineral Veil Powder. It's so little, look at it. Luminizer Trio. Okay, Jane Iredale. Jessica totally panned a couple of these, but there's one like highlighter situation left. And it's like, it's super soft, kind of gold. Oh wow, kind of very gold. Okay, yeah. Pure Sunkissed Glow Strobe Highlight Palette, Aura Solar and Dusk. Cream highlights here, very soft. I don't know if you can kind of see those. Super excited to try those. So I definitely have probably a couple first impression get ready with me videos to do. Stay tuned for that. So anyway, until the next one.